of Yorubaland, Oluwo no jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Would you have preferred I introduced you as the Emir of Iwo?
You can refer to me as long as a king. You can. We have to change what is on the ground, which has been sowing many discords among our children.
So you believe that changing, if they call you Emir or if they call you Igwe, it will change that narrative?
But you call me a king right now, right?
Yes.
What does a king means? Is that Yoruba?
No, that's English.
Yeah, thank you. So if they call Emir, which is just a different language, is there a problem with that language?
Some people see a problem with it. They believe that this is putting up an identity that is alien.
What about if you call me Igwe? Is it alien to Nigeria?
It is not. It's about a tribe, a people.
Okay. That's the problem of Nigeria, because we tend to be more tribalistic, and that is causing segregation and discrimination among our children. I'm a king, a royal father. I'm the father of this nation. Even the president, traditionally the president is my son.
Emir of Yorubaland, Oluwo no jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Everybody in
Nigeria. How successful has it been for you? Seeing that it is said, reports say that you were queried by the Osun State government. But was there a query or not?
A query for what?
That you were trying to adopt.
They can only ask me that, Kabiyesi, we heard about some things in the newspaper, and are you removing yourself? How do somebody remove himself? Look at me. This is who I am. I know who I am.
But there have been pictures of you being dressed in a regalia that is not like this, that of the Emir, and turban as an Emir.
Wait. Actually, I have all the right to even wear that, because
To push further with the Emir title, which some people claim you adopted, is
anybody that is questioning that is not civilized.
How about the group, a Yoruba group, that's the Afenifere, saying this is a desecration of the stool you represent?
Yeah, they need to go and check what unity is about and stop jumping. They need to hear from me. If they didn't hear nothing, they didn't, and I think people should move from their conservative ways. Conservative ways will not, because we should be conservative progressive. What's it called? The wisdom of the whole people, it's good, but it's antique.
When you say antique, what do you mean?
We can
do away with the past?
No, you don't do away with the past. What do you do with antiques? You keep them in the museum. You keep them very safe. You put them in a glass. You keep them. You visit them as history. But they cannot be applied to the present.
And it seems you are enjoying it. How are you dealing with this?
I'm the first traditional ruler to go to a prison. Our culture and tradition must be something that is subject to scrutiny and change. Because when in the olden times, they were in the dark days. Here, we need to start researching. We need to start doing some things that are different from the past. Today, we are still eating amala, eba, those heavy food. Have we ever thought about it?
Emir of Yorubaland, Oluwo no jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Bí ọba yí ọ, kó wù kéèyàn pariwo dé títí, ariwo ni mo láìkì. Ẹ ti gbọ́ nísìnyí láàárọ̀ ẹ tún ti gbọ́ ròyìn mi nínú kíní. Olúwo tó ti ń jà o, Olúwo tó ti ń bá àwọn ìmáàmù jà. Ọba ní structure Islam, àwọn ìmáàmù náà wà lábẹ́ ọba. Nílẹ̀ Haúsá, ẹ lè gbọ́ pé Emir nílùú Kano wípé ká sọ pé ìmáàmù kan ló ń ju ọba lọ. Ó ṣe jẹ́ pé nílùú Yorùbá, nílẹ̀ Yorùbá nìkan ni àwọn àfáà àti ìmáàmù ni wọ́n máa ń fẹ́ sọ pé ìmáàmù ni ó ju ọba lọ. Nàìjíríà ni pátá tí mo wọ̀ sídìí àtúnṣe pátá olókùn. ẹ ti mọ orúkọ láti mọ wọ̀nù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo tó bòfì mo fi ṣe pátá. Oyè tí iṣẹ́ yín lẹ ẹ̀yin kọ́ lẹ dálẹ̀ èmi ni mo dálẹ̀ lẹ̀ Yorùbá oyè tèmi ní. Késo yẹ àwọn ọmọ kò bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe lọ sínú pépà yẹn. And as a natural paramount ruler of Yorubaland tó dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ ọba àfà, I have the right, mo ní àṣẹ láti yan ṣe lọ bí bàbá Aláàfin léèrè pé kí ló dé tó jẹ́ pé Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò ṣe sọ pé Ọ̀yọ́ nìkan ni kò jẹ́ sí. Tó sì jẹ́ pé Ọ̀yọ́ ni wọ́n ti dá Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò lẹ̀. Nígbà bàbá fẹ́ jẹ Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò èèyàn kan ò sí lọ bí léèrè pé nítorí yẹ kó ń lọ àwọn ni ẹ dálẹ̀ òun lọ. Èmi ni mo dá wàzírì ilẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo jẹ́ ọba tó wà lábẹ́ ọba kan ni. Olúwo ò sí lábẹ́ ọba kankan. Ẹ̀yin tí kò bá yé nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ àti Ìwó tẹ máa ń rò pé bóyá ẹ lọ kí n gbadé ní Ìwó kí n lọ ń gbadé lọ́yọ̀ọ́.